Hello everyone. Today we are continuing with the chapter Chemical Coordination and Integration, and today we are going to study hypothalamus. So it is present in the basal part of diencephalon. Location: basal part of diencephalon. This is a group of neurosecretory cells known as nuclei, and it secretes 7 releasing hormones that stimulate secretion and 3 inhibiting hormones that inhibit secretion. So, two types of hormones. Secretory and inhibitory. Seven hormones that are secretory in nature and 3 hormones that are inhibitory in action. And these hormones regulate the synthesis and secretion of pituitary hormone. So they regulate the synthesis and secretion of pituitary hormones. Now, the hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system hypothalamo hypophyseal portal system. This system regulates the functions of anterior pituitary. And in this system, the releasing and inhibiting hormones are transferred to anterior pituitary by hypophyseal portal vein. So, the vein that carries the releasing and inhibiting hormones is known as hypophyseal portal vein. Remember this is important. And this activates or stimulates the process of hormone synthesis and secretion of anterior pituitary. Now the posterior pituitary gland. Posterior pituitary is under the direct regulation of the hypothalamus. So here it is in direct regulation of the hypothalamus. The hormones of posterior pituitary are synthesized into hypothalamic nuclei, which is also known as paraventricular nuclei and supraoptic nuclei. So hormones of posterior pituitary synthesized in hypothalamic nuclei. These are paraventricular, paraventricular nuclei, and the other is supraoptic nuclei. And these hormones are secreted into posterior pituitary through axons. So these are stored and again released into body via the bloodstream. Stored and released again via the bloodstream. So next we are going to study the pituitary gland.